I'll never forget the moment I realized you were the one I wanted to spend forever with.
Heartbeat in the quiet.
I was studying in Brighton.
Spotlight in an empty
You were training with the Swiss military,
A song in the
and you flew all the way to see me for just 24 hours. In that moment, I felt this pure, childlike excitement, like the world was ours. And anything was possible, as long as I had you by my side.
I see you now with you. You'll never be the same. The start of my heart, a river washing over me when you came and changed everything.
Together, we have explored the world. Every adventure taught me that there is nothing better than discovering new things with you. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. The most valuable thing we have is time. Whether it is with family, with friends, or just the two of us. I hope we will be present in every moment. I promise to cherish the simple moments, the simple things in life with you, to savor every joy and to hold on to the beauty of each moment, just like this one right now, where I'm staying amazed by you. And that's the very reason I call you my beauty. I love you.
This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary love. Didn't realize this could happen. Oh, the grace would be enough. This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary love. Didn't realize this could happen. Oh, the grace would be enough.
You supported me through creative ambitions, encouraged me when I doubted myself, and reminded me constantly that I could reach the stars. With you, I always feel like I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. I promise to be your rock and your biggest cheerleader. I promise to keep finding new adventures with you even if it's just getting lost on purpose, so we can find our way together. I promise to always appreciate the little things, the moments when it's just us, sharing our stories and building our life together.